Hi girlfriends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole, and today I'll be sharing with you my easy half up half down twist out hairstyle. If you're interested, let's get started with today's video. Start off with freshly clean curls. Today I'll be using the Aussie Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner and their Miracle Curls shampoo. I will then go in by sectioning my curls. And the only product I'll be using today for this twist out is mousse. Today I'm using the coconut and hibiscus frizz-free curl mousse from Shea Moisture. I will then rake this through my curls and simply twist my hair. I also like to finger coil the ends to add more definition. For the front sections of my curls, instead of doing free fall twists, I do flat twists. If you don't know how to flat twist, feel free to check out my how to flat twist video here on my YouTube channel. And then I will repeat these steps for the remainder of my head. From there, I will use Flexi rods to curl the ends of my twists that aren't giving me the perfect end curl that I like. So this part is optional, but this is what I do. Now that the prepping of your hair is completed, you can either just let it dry or go to sleep. For me, I'm going to go to sleep and I will wake up and take out my twists. First things first, I'm going to start by taking out my flexi rods by being gentle and simply unraveling the rods. Now that the flexi rods are out, I'm then going to use some hair oil to lightly coat my fingers as well as my twists. It is now time to take out my twists, and I'm going to gently unravel the twists, making sure that I'm taking my time. This will decrease the chances of frizz for your hair. As you can see, I have a lot of definition, but I don't quite like my twist outs to look like this, so now we're going to add some volume. In addition to breaking up my twists, I also stretch the twists out a little bit with my blow dryer and then use a pick to pick out my roots. To style this twist out, I'm going to use water, eco gel, and a hard bristle brush to style my hair in a simple half up, half down. And this is my final look. I hope that you've benefited from any of the tips that I've shared in today's video. Twist outs are like my new favorite thing. I love them. I've been doing them so much lately. If you liked today's video, make sure to leave a comment, a like, and make sure to subscribe to my page, and I'll see you guys next week.